was time to find something that would help us get easier access to the underside of our zero-turn John Deere Z540R mower deck. The solution is this Pittsburgh ATV mower jack that we picked up at Harbor Freight Tools. Here's a video showing some of the assembly required to put it together and also a brief overview of how it works. I will also leave a link to this product in the description below. This heavy-duty ATV riding mower lift has a foot-activated pump that quickly elevates your riding mower or ATV for easy access during routine maintenance. A powerful hydraulic pump lifts up to 300 pounds to a maximum height of 24 inches, and it has 3 positions to safely lock the lift in place and keep the load secure. Some of the features include 5-inch wheels for easy positioning and maneuverability, heavy-duty hydraulic pump, again that lifts up to 300 pounds max with a height of 24 inches, 5-position wheel width adjustment, which will help fit lawnmowers, ATVs, or quads anywhere from a 36-inch to a 50.5-inch wide center to center. One-handed 6-position wheel saddle depth adjustment for different tire sizes. Rubber wheels for easy maneuverability. Also 1-pin removal for easy storage so it can collapse. There are 3 position safety locks. The foot-activated pump so there's no hand cranking. And a separate foot pedal for slow, controlled release to bring your lawnmower or ATV back down to the ground. With the deck raised high, it's easy to get an impact wrench underneath to remove the blades for sharpening or replacement. It also makes cleaning the deck easy as well.
Good girl.
Before purchasing the lift, I had to drive the mower up on ramps or other things in an attempt to clean under it. This took time, effort, and never resulted in easy access. Before making the purchase, I read the reviews and took a number of things into consideration. Once this item went on sale, I took the chance and purchased this unit, and have been very happy with it. It has saved us time and makes routine cleaning and maintenance a breeze. It seems to handle the heavy mower without any problem. With this lift, there's no more laying on the ground. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos surrounding our John Deere Z540R. Thanks for watching.